You could have a sharp jawline, an aesthetic physique, and expensive clothes. But if you fail this one subconscious test, people will instantly categorize you as unattractive. The worst part? Nobody will ever tell you you're doing it. They'll just quietly take a step back when you talk to them. Today, I'm giving you the zero BS real-life hygiene routine that actually works. We aren't talking about 10-step $100 skincare routines. We're talking about the gritty reality of smelling good, looking sharp, and fixing the hidden hygiene mistakes that are silently killing your glow-up. And whatever you do, do not skip the final point of this video. It is a 2-second habit that 90% of guys completely ignore, but it is literally the very first thing people focus on when you open your mouth to speak. Let's get into it. Point 1. The oral reality check. Let's start with your mouth, because bad breath creates an invisible force field around you. First off, if your toothbrush looks like a busted broom after just 2 weeks, bro, you aren't brushing. You're taking out years of pent-up anger on your teeth. Here is the counterintuitive truth. Scrubbing harder does not make your teeth whiter. It actually destroys your enamel, makes your teeth super sensitive, and reveals the yellow dentin underneath. Treat brushing like a gentle massage for your teeth, not a competition. But here is the brutal reality check. For 80% of guys, bad breath doesn't even come from their teeth. It comes from their tongue. You can brush your teeth twice a day, but if you aren't scraping the white bacteria off your tongue, you are basically taking out the trash but leaving the garbage can open. Spend $2 on a tongue scraper. Combine that with an electric toothbrush and some Crest whitening strips, and your smile alone will make you 10 times more approachable. Point 2. The fake clean and the clothing trap. Next, we hit the shower. Most guys think they're clean just because they stood under hot water for 10 minutes. You're not. You need a loofah or a washcloth to actually scrub the dead skin off, especially the dark, inaccessible areas. Don't just let the soap run down your legs. But here is the biggest trap almost every guy falls into. You step out of the shower smelling incredible, and then you throw on the exact same unwashed hoodie or t-shirt you wore yesterday. Listen to me. Your body odor might not actually be your body, it's your clothes. When you wear a shirt all day, it acts like a sponge for dust, sweat, and dead skin. When you put it back on, you are loading yesterday's filth onto today's clean body. If you want to be attractive, a fresh, cheap, clean t-shirt will always beat a dirty designer shirt. Wash your clothes. It's a basic sign of maturity. Point 3. Face and hair. Your head is your billboard. If your hair is greasy, you instantly look like a slob. There's a massive trend online telling guys to stop using shampoo. Look, if your hair doesn't get greasy naturally, great. But if your hair looks like an oil spill after 2 days, ignore that trend and wash it. Figure out your specific hair type. If the shampoo makes your hair look too dry or dull, just run a few drops of argan oil through it while it's damp to bring it back to life. Next, facial hair. If you spend 3 months trying to grow a beard and it still looks like patchy dirt on your face, shave it off. You aren't ready yet, and that's okay. Women overwhelmingly prefer a clean-shaven face or a neat mustache over an unmanaged, struggling neckbeard. Also, here is a secret cheat code. Spend $10 and get your eyebrows threaded every 3 weeks. Just ask them to clean them up. It literally changes your face shape, makes your eyes look more intense, and acts like a mini facelift. Point 4. The fragrance longevity hack. You're clean, your hair is dialed in, now we need to make you smell magnetic all day. Most guys just spray expensive cologne onto their dry skin, and the scent completely evaporates in an hour. Here is the scientific cheat code to fix that. Right after your shower, put an unscented moisturizer on your neck and your arms. Then spray your cologne directly on top of it. The fragrance oils will actually bind to the moisturizer instead of evaporating off your dry skin. This makes your cologne last twice as long and project way better. Depending on where you're going, 3 to 5 sprays is the sweet spot to pull compliments without choking out the room. Point 5. The final secret. Okay, here is the final point I promised you. The most underrated yet highly attractive part of your face. Imagine this. You did everything right. Your hair is perfect, your clothes are fresh, you smell amazing. You confidently walk up to a girl, you smile, you start talking, and your lips are dry, chapped, white, and peeling. Bro, the illusion is completely shattered. When you speak, laugh, or make eye contact, human nature dictates that people's gaze will drop to your lips. If they look crusty, you instantly look dehydrated and unhygienic. Go to the store, buy a basic tube of Aquaphor or a hydrating lip balm, keep it in your pocket, and use it daily. It takes 2 seconds, but it seals your entire glow-up together. Take these habits, apply them today, and watch how differently the world starts treating you. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.